playa. También.
Woohoo! Say woohoo! Okay, the Club Puertorriqueño. Let's go over here, Eden. Little gongolon. It's a little bug. Eden, did you find that the door is open? The door is open in here. Oh, look at that, Eden. Nope, it's just an empty room. This is where they have their meetings or something. That's pretty cool.
This is boring.
Today we find ourselves in the dry town of Guanica. And it's called the City of Eternal Summer because it's always super, super hot here. But we're here in November, so it's not quite as hot as usual. So we thought we would take advantage of going down to some of the beaches, the beautiful beaches here. So while we were here in Guanica, we stopped at the Club Puertorriqueño, which overlooks the old sugar mill in the distance, as well as some old, wow, look at this hawk. As well as some really old buildings. Like from probably the 1900s or maybe late 1800s, like including this little building that is part of this complex here. Sugar mill in Guanica. You can see the huge smokestacks as well as some of the kind of dilapidated buildings that are the remnants of their sugar cane production here. This is so fun.
Look at it, look.
Whoa. Touch it, touch it, touch. Go ahead. Look, it's Santa Lina, Aiden. Who's this? Who's that? Santa Lina. Good job, Aiden.
Bueno.
So now we are at Playa Santa in Guanica. This is the first time we've been here, and it's got a really cute little kind of poblado, a little village down here where there's some kiosks, some food, drinks, and some water sports in the distance. Super clear blue water, nice chill vibe. You want to go in that boat? He wants to go in that boat. And we're also feeding the fish, looking down here. This really nice little area here.
Eating it.
They're eating it. Look at them. That's pretty cool.
They're eating it.
There's another one, a little skinny one. Woohoo! Time for a mojito. Look at this. It's got nice mixed. Aiden, you want one of the fruits?
No.
Mm.
I need just need the juice.
Oh, just the juice?
Yeah.
Buen provecho. Is that your flamingo? What are we doing now?
We are driving. Playa Santa.
Off-roading.
Off-road. 4-wheel drive.
We made it to Playa La Jungla. This is the goal of our journey today to Guanica, and we're at the very edge of it, as far as you can go before you reach these rocks. But we're going to keep walking by foot and see what we can find down this trail. Look at this crab we found. Tickles? We're walking like calves. Run, fast. Okay, Eden, you want to go in this one? Looks like this trail is all aqua now. Oh, look, there's a pretty bird in there. There's a big egret. Let's see. Oh, let's see. The moon and the sun. Uno, dos, tres. Do it again, do it again. Blow your bubbles, blow your bubbles.
Go
Go under, go under.
Go underwater and let out your air.
Do it again. Good job. So something that I really like about Playa La Jungla, we've been spending some time out here, is that it reminds me a lot of Playa Bulle in Cabo Rojo. just this long expanse of white sand beaches. Playa Jungla is a little bit more remote. There's little buildings out here. Playa Santa has some condominiums and other things in the background, so it's a little bit, doesn't feel quite as remote, so I can understand why they call this La Jungla, the jungle. Aiden, what are we doing?
Back on the top.
We're in the back of the truck. We're gonna go find the bridge, huh? Dada's driving. Right here, Eden, here's the bridge. So something that Playa La Jungla is known for are all these